Hey guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my grails of any year. I've got a couple of them in this video. I've got a lot set for another video due to the fact there's a lot of them. In this video, this is the main ones that I'm wanting and I've always wanted to pick up. I don't think I'll ever get to, but we can always try. If you don't try, you don't succeed. So we're going to jump off with the C2H4 x KAPPA KAPPA, which features the KAPPA print and tapered side piping and down round the hood. They act like drawstrings. It follows a blocked teal and a white colour scheme. The undecayable comes from the fact that through the modern tech, it means it cannot be corroded. The whole lookbook was done by Luke Sabat. Great guy, done an amazing job in this case. Yeah. I want this because it shows that KAPPA's still in it. KAPPA's not been around for ages, but they came back in 2018 and they're doing mad things, like especially the C2H4 collab. It's insane. Like it's something we've never seen from KAPPA. And I said we always see the tapering down the sleeves and stuff, but this is completely different and it looks insane. The next one on the list is C2H4 KAPPA lab jacket. They're not all the C24H collabs. These are the only two. This is an oversized lab coat garment that features the KAPPA logo tapered on the right hand side near the collar. It's detailed wearing it white, out tapering, like see how you get the zips, it's on the outside. Where the jacket comes to close, and they've got white buttons on the left side too. And they have a label, so similar to like the ADIDAS KAPPA hoodies, they have the washing stuff on the back. It's kind of like that, they have a label on the sleeve. This also follows the block teal colourway with the white involved. I like this piece because it literally could be used in a lot of places due to the colouring, like block teal and the white. Block teal can go with a lot and so can the white. White goes with everything, so it's always just good to kind of pick up a piece that always does that. The next on the list is the Cortez Kung Fu Kenny 2. This was the US exclusive, this is the red one. I genuinely wish I got it, but I couldn't because it's not available here. The resales are like. This follows a red, white, black colourway. It's in a Cortez silhouette. It's Kendrick Lamar's favourite silhouette, and he's mentioned it in multiple interviews. He talks about how they're just classic and something he's been with since day one. It follows a red, white upper with detailing as a tapered section over the laces, which says "Don't Trip." It's an insane shoe. I don't really get on with Cortezes that well because they've got a square toe box, but they do look insane. I wish I could pick them up. Although he's had other collabs and I'm a huge Kendrick fan, they're not the colour schemes that I like. I did go for the 4s and the 3s, but I didn't get them. But the 2s is my favourite colourway. Next is the Misfits Sire denim jacket. I'm a big Gene Smith fan, especially the clothes that he has for merch. They were sold at concerts such as like Las Vegas at the Vinyl. It's a dark denim jacket with text on both sleeves, a trippy design that follows suit of the hoodies, so you've got like the Sire vision on the back and stuff. Like it just looks like one of the hoodies, but a dark denim jacket. Looks insane. They're actually quite high now. Like I've not seen much, and when I do see them, they're like £400, so it's quite a lot of money. Next on the list is the Palace denim jacket Smileys. This was the Palace Fall Winter 18 item. It sold out the first week. I was in a maths tutorial so I could get it. It's a light denim wash jacket with smiley face detailing all over. Some just have like smiley faces, some have the Palace logo inside their teeth. It's an insane piece. I did want to pick it up, and they also done the jeans too, and I was in a maths tutorial again. I can't get a break, can I? But I'll get these soon, hopefully. The whole suit would look insane because it's just a nutty design. Like it's all over print, but it looks insane. Next is the Nike Lab and Off-White Mercurial NRG hoodie in the black. The main colour is black, orange and white with some like block colouring going on with the cyan and green. The Off-White branding is on the centre of the chest in an orange font, and it's like an italic font with white dashes all along the sleeves. It's a large number, 33 printed on the back also, but you've got some like you've got a blue circle to just colour block it, etc. Want to pick this up? The retail was actually not that bad, but the resale is now, as you can expect, it's an Off-White item, quite high. Next we're jumping off the shoes just for a second. So it's the Jordan 1 UNCs and the Jordan 1 Chicagos. At the same time we'll do them. Jordan UNC, Jordan Chicago. Both insane colourways, not the Off-White ones. Off-White ones would be good, but not the Off-White ones, just the originals. These are both colourways that if I ever got a chance just to pick up random Jordans, these would be the two I'd pick. The University Blues and the Chicagos, both insane. The University Blues, or the UNCs, are just a normal blue, white colour scheme. And then the Chicagos, the red upper with a white toe box and a black tip. These are mostly worn, normal Chicagos are mostly worn by the j.cole and stuff. The j.cole, you hardly ever see them without these on, to be honest. I think I need to see a j.cole Chicago Jordan 1 collab. That would be insane. I can just imagine the things he would do with it. Don't think he would ever do it, but it's insane. Next is the off-white cotton field jacket. This is a piece that I wish I'd just jam-packed. They were on sale to like 400, I think it was. I was going to buy it, but I didn't want to, I just got paid that month and I was like, oh, I'm not going to just spend it all, so I was going to save up. I was going to put money away every month. But now it can't be seen anywhere because it was a fall winter 18 item and it's not anywhere to be seen now. I really need to pick this up. It's just a camouflage jacket with tapering for the off-whites here. You have the off-white yellow belt, industrial belt. It's tapering down the side, it comes off at the bottom of the jacket. It's 4 pockets with minimal branding. There's just a field jacket written in the quotation marks, the classic Virgil quotation marks. It's an insane type of garment. It's just a camouflage field jacket. It looks insane. Wish I could pick it up. Couldn't. I'll try to, but it's not going to work out. Next is the Palestine shirt, if I'm saying that properly. It's not actually anywhere to be seen right now. It was on the Palace website. I don't think it's sold out, but after like 3 weeks of it being out, it just disappeared off the website. It's not even on StockX. I was going to pick it up. I was like, oh, I'll get it next week. And then when I went to go get it, it wasn't there. I'm just still looking for it. All it is just minimal branding in a sense. There's Palace written in like squares. It's hard to sign. I'll put a picture up there to explain it. It's a light blue, almost turquoise colour. It's very summery. I have a lot of shoes that can go with it. Like I have the collegiate UNC kind of Air Forces, and now just have the Air Forces with the blue tick, so they would also go with it. Next is the Open Ceremony varsity jacket in black. This is always a piece that I keep going in sales. It always goes down, and it's one of the pieces that I keep thinking about. But this time, I think when it goes down in sales for either Easter or whenever it goes down in sale, I'm going to pick it up. A black varsity jacket can be used in so many situations, and an opening ceremony one. It's just a normal varsity jacket with the big OC print on the right. It has patches all over the jacket, like on the sleeves and on the the bottom of the material. It's a high quality garment and a definite pickup, and I'll be doing that as soon as I have the chance to. We've got the last 3 things, so the Sean Witherspoon's 97s. I already spoke about this in my last video. It's got a cord upper with pastel colours, insanely high drop. It was on Air Max Day. Due to the insane release, the resale shot up. I don't think I'm ever going to get my hands on these because the resale is over 1,000 right now. But although they have the new colourway coming, so I'm going to try and get them because they're both insane. Just the blue colourway is not as nice as the all over pastels, but still a pickup. If you haven't seen that video, the top 5 sneaker releases of 2018, go watch it, it's on my channel. I put a lot of work into it. The second last item is the off-white knitwear sweater in the red colourway, but they've also got a tan and a black. It's an insane piece. It's kind of like a Christmas jumper. It's quite a thick material. It's got only a spell out on it, but it's at the bottom. It's quite a big font. It just says off-white at the bottom. It's a red and white colourway. It's off-white, so the garment is going to be good. It's good quality. It's just a good design. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram pick it up recently, and I've actually seen Magnus Ronning and stuff that I'm heavily inspired by pick it up, and it looks insane on him. The fits he can pull off, although he kind of just wears beige trousers all the time, but it looks insane. Last on the list is the YEEZY 750 triple blacks. Don't shout at me, I know the YEEZY hype's dead, but this hype isn't dead. The 750s, we need the new 750. The 750s are one of the best, especially recently, although the 500s have been popping off. Also 700s have been actually doing okay, not resale wise, but just popping off. These are in a triple black colourway. It's an insane piece. And was a thing when the Yeezys were still hyped, so the resale is actually quite high on them because they've not released any of them. It's a high top with laces already, with preset laces, so you can't really tie them that much tighter, but they have the strap along the foot that you can strap over to make them tighter on you. And this is at the front section of the shoe, but it's brilliant work. Kanye has been in a weird place recently, so I'm not sure where the future of the Yeezy is going to go. I don't think it's going to last that long with the constant releases of shoes. and over popularised styles, but we'll wait and see what happens. 750s are always the best, but it doesn't look like we're going to get another one soon. So guys, thanks for tuning into that video. I know it was a long one, but I thank you guys. If you want to leave any comments, just tell me how to improve. If you didn't like the video, just dislike it and tell me why. If you did like the video, please like it. It helps. We can gauge who likes the video and who wants to see more of this type of stuff. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It definitely helps out smaller channels like us, just to kind of get shown by YouTube somewhere, because YouTube's just a mess right now, but it's a great help. So yeah, I'll see you later guys. Peace.